This is Michael Scantland, and I'm going to do a short tutorial with Google Analytics. I'm going to install a tracking piece from Google on my website called Google Analytics. First thing you need to do is actually having a Google account. You go to google.com and sign up for one if you don't already have it, and it's you can add all these nice, neat little products down here. I'm going to go right into my analytics. And as you see, I have nothing in here, basically no profiles. If you want to learn more, you can actually go over here to the resources section. But for this tutorial, we're just going to add a simple one. Shouldn't take more than just a couple minutes to do. I'm going to add my website down here. Basically, or if you had an existing profile, you can add subdomains and more tracking codes specifically for that particular website page or subdomain. Michaelscanland.com. I'm in the United States, Pacific time. Let's finish. And it's going to bring us to a page where it gives us the actual tracking code to put into the website. And what it does, it shows that tracking is not installed on this website yet. We're going to go down here. It gives us some simple instructions. Okay, I'm tracking michaelscanland.com, my new blog. I'm going to highlight all of this, copy, and I already have my browser window open for michaelscanland.com is right here. This is my main page. We're going to use that here in a second. This is the actual dashboard from WordPress. I have a custom theme installed, so I'm going to actually go to that theme. I'll show you how to add a plugin later to install analytics, but this one actually is pre-built with some general things I can do with the actual template itself. So we're actually going to go to the header because that's where it needs to go. I've already installed Google Analytics on here, but I'm going to reinstall it. Paste. And let's see. Yep, okay. And I'm going to save the changes. Alright, so it shows that it's saved. Let's make sure. I'm going back to my home page. I'm going to reload it. And let's go to View Source. And somewhere up here we're going to see Google Analytics. There you are right here. There's the script. So let's exit out. Let's see if it's on any of my other pages here. Alright. And let's go View Source. Same place. We don't use Spotlight. And it shows it right there. So it's actually installed and working. So now what we're going to want to do is go back over to our tracking code through a section of Google Analytics, and let's go down here and save it. And it takes us back to this main page, and we've got to do a couple other things before we're able to verify it. It wants us to verify that the code's working. I'm going to set my home page. In all WordPress blogs, it's actually a page called index.php, and my time zone is United States. It's not an e-commerce site. Do I want site search to track it? Nah, I'm pretty happy with just the basics on this particular site. Save and change. Alright. Now, one thing we're going to want to do is verify that it's actually working on our website, so I just click on check status, and let's see if it's going to work. Oh, guess what it did. Alright, so Analytics has been successfully installed and data is being gathered now. So let's go back over to our settings page. And now, status shows it's working. We have no visitors. And if you want to add another profile for another website you have, or any site that allows you to put analytics on, you can just keep adding more and more profiles. So let's go over to here, view report. And hopefully soon I should see some traffic in here in the next couple days. Shows me where it's coming from, visitors, overview, content, page views, page visits, all this good information. You can even email it and export it. So now let's go back over to our WordPress blog, well, my WordPress blog, and so let's say you don't have a custom theme. We can go right down to plugins, add new. And what I'm going to do is search for Google Analytics. And what this is going to do is show us Google, Web Ninja Google. I've used this one before, it's pretty good. And you just click on it. And if I install it, it's going to actually put an option over in here to where we can actually enter in our code and do a few extra steps, but it's pretty easy. But there you have it. It only took us a few minutes to install Google Analytics on a WordPress blog right there. So I thank you very much, and hopefully this helps.